Hello guys, welcome to Dogs Coffee YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell about gallstones, also known as cholelithiasis.
8% of the patients suffering from gallstones are above 40 years of age, and 90% of the patients are asymptomatic. Risk factors of cholelithiasis are smoking, parity. There is 5F rule for the risk factors of cholelithiasis. Those are fair, fat, female, fertile, 40. This you can remember as fat female, fair looking, who is fertile above 40 years of age. Bile contains cholesterol, bile pigments, phospholipids. If the concentrations vary, it may form different stones.
Types of gallstones. There are three types of gallstones: pigment stones, cholesterol stones, mixed stones. Pigment stones. They are less than 10%. They are small, friable, irregular. Causes are hemolysis. Cholesterol stones. They are large and often solitary. Causes are, as mentioned before, elderly age and obesity. Mixed stones are formed with calcium salts, pigment, cholesterol. Acute cholecystitis. It occurs due to stone or sludge impaction in the neck of gallbladder. Symptoms: right upper quadrant pain, radiating to shoulder, vomiting, fever, gallbladder mass. Murphy's sign is positive in acute cholecystitis.
What is Murphy's sign? Murphy's sign is elicited by asking the patient to take in and hold a deep breath while palpating the right subcostal area. In case of positive Murphy's sign, due to the inflamed gallbladder comes in contact with the examiner's hand, patient complains of pain while inspiration, which shows a positive Murphy's sign.
Investigations. In CBC, WBC will be elevated. Ultrasound shows thick walled, shrunken gallbladder, pericholecystic fluid, stones, and CBD will be dilated if stones are more than 6 mm. Abdominal X-ray. In plain abdominal X-ray, 10% of the gallstones are identified, and it may identify porcelain gallbladder, which has 50% association with cancer. In this ultrasound image, you can see gallstones, pericholecystic fluid, and thick-walled gallbladder. HIDA cholecystography. If the diagnosis is uncertain with ultrasound, this test is performed. In the picture A, it is normal. In the picture B, it is abnormal, demonstrating non-filling of the gallbladder consistent with cystic duct obstruction.
Coming to treatment, nil by mouth, analgesics in case of pains, IV antibiotics in case of any bacterial infections, laparoscopic cholecystectomy if needed, open surgery in case of gallbladder perforation, percutaneous cholecystostomy in elderly or higher risk patients who are unsuitable for surgery. Cholecystectomy preferred in acalculous cholecystitis.
Chronic cholecystitis. It occurs due to chronic inflammation with or without colicky abdominal pain. Symptoms: flatulent dyspepsia, vague abdominal discomfort, distension, nausea, fat intolerance. Investigations: abdominal ultrasound, magnetic resonance cholangiopancreatography. Treatment: endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography with sphincterectomy before surgery if CVD is dilated with stones. Other presentations of gallstones are gallstone ileus. Gallstone erodes through the gallbladder into the duodenum, which then obstruct terminal ileum, causing gallbladder perforation.
Coming to complications of gallstones, if the gallstones seen in gallbladder and cystic duct, it may cause biliary colic, acute and chronic cholecystitis, mucocele or empyema, Merz's syndrome, and carcinoma or porcelain gallbladder. So here what is Merz's syndrome? Merz's syndrome is common hepatic duct obstruction which is caused by extrinsic compression from an impacted stone in the cystic duct or in the infundibulum of the gallbladder. Then coming to if the gallstone presents in bile duct, it may cause obstructive jaundice, cholangitis, pancreatitis. If the gallstone present in gut, it may cause gallstone ileus.
Differential diagnosis. If the patient presents with only right upper quadrant pain, then there is a probability of biliary colic. And if the patient presents with right upper quadrant pain with fever or elevated WBC, probability of acute cholecystitis. If the patient presents with right upper quadrant pain, fever or raised WBC and jaundice, then there is a probability of cholangitis.
Thank you.
If you feel this video is informative, like it,
Share with your friends.
subscribe for more updates.